Alright, we're back. Okay, I found 3 different options here for nuts. And I also found my Scorpion clutch puller, which is mandatory to work on one of these damn things. So we got a BDL nut here. It's an HMS 100. So that should fit inside of that hole right there, I would hope. We also have a 90 later, 90 through 17. So this is a stock clutch hub nut, which is a tall taper nut, so it's even smaller than this one, so that definitely should fit in there. And then we got a genuine Harley nut here, which is a 65, just your shovelhead nut. So it's a genuine Harley one, which means the threads look really nice in there. See how nice machining they are? Unlike the China ones that look like crap. So this one here, we'd have to turn the OD down until it would fit in the hole, if that's what's going to require, but I'm not sure yet because I'm not in there yet. So let's see what we got to work with. So you can see that's to fit down in that hole right there, and see that does not fit down in that hole. So I'm going to have to turn that down in order to make that fit. And that's not going to affect the working of this because that doesn't really need to be that way. You have to modify a Harley part to do that. Okay, this thing here might not be deep enough to get all the way back up. See, that one's too short. It's in there flush, you can't get to it, so that ain't gonna work. This one here looks like the same problem because it's too short. You ever tried undoing a zip lock with one hand? Yeah, it takes a lot of finger strength. Put that down for a second. Okay, so here's our bar BDL one. Okay, so that just fits in there, and I can just barely get a socket on that. Now, is that going to clear into that? Hopefully it will. And that should be the same thread, I'm assuming. Harley doesn't like making changes, so nope. Should be left-handed thread. It does not want to go. Looks like it's 2 different threads. That ain't gonna work. Hey, I wonder if this will work. This one doesn't work either. Threads look like they're damaged a little. Looks like it took a hit right here. Oh yeah, see that big hit mark right there? That's, oh yeah, look at that thread. Mush City. So that might have got damaged. Well, this wasn't on his bike, so he might have got this damaged. Yeah, that's why it doesn't fit. It's been hit right there hard. Looks fairly round. Okay, I'm going to take and just do a big grind right here and see if I get the nut to go on there. This is a mock-up tranny. It's the next one he has. It's not the one that's actually on his bike. So. But it is needed to do what we need to do here. Make it work. Alright, I need a little grinder. What do we got laying down here? That'll work. Little grinder. This is a nice hard stone, so whatever you grind to, it grinds correctly. Unlike a flap wheel that everybody likes using, it goes wherever the hell it wants to. This actually cuts what you want to cut. Spots there. All right, see if that works. So we're able to cut a nice 45 all the way around there. That thread there didn't quite get all the way off, but this thing took a couple of hits. Obviously, the mesh shaft is spinning, you can do a lot better job, but it is what it is. Where's that new nut at? I just got it out. Nope. Definitely got thread damage. That needs to cut more. That's a lever on the train I could put in gear, it wouldn't move so much. Shaft keeps turning as I'm grinding on it. Okay, now we got twice as much material ground off. Be careful about wiping those threads off, it'll cut the piss out of you. Sharp edges on there. Got a file, I knock it down a little bit more. Even. Yeah. Chops hard, doesn't do nothing. New nut again. Still isn't going. Screwing up my new nuts when I'm doing. And my guess is collapsed pretty heavy. Let's see here. Let's get a mic and see if we can figure out how bad it really is. Tight right there, but it's definitely tight right in there in that spot. All right. If I had a used nut, I wouldn't care about ramming the thing on there and clean it up, but I don't use a new nut. This nut doesn't fit his bike when we're done, so. Nope. Try the aftermarket nut, see if the threads are cut bigger. Nope. So much for a nice, easy job. Just crap. Right there's a spot. Let's knock it down. That. Trying to go, but it won't go. It's in the right thread. Maybe we'll start. High spot right there. one thread won't go. Now, I don't know if it'll ever go because I don't know if that nut fits the shaft or not. I got most all the high spots off. There's still a high spot right there. You can see it. I played this game all day, but it's not really going to work too good. Alright, so that means it's time to get it all apart and put in a lathe and find out what the hell the real problem is. Something's wrong, obviously. It's a heat-treated shaft, which means you can't cut it. So that's no fun either. Yeah, nothing like having to take a whole tranny apart to fix a piece of crap they sent you to do a test with. Alright, well, we'll see what we can do here.